Hello, advanced band. Took me a minute to remember who I was recording for. This week is week 4. It's been almost a full month since we were quarantined. We're just going to go over real quick how to do your theory assignment this week. The only other thing that's new is to try a duet. A duet can be from your book, from any of the stuff online. You can look up your own. I don't mind either way. The whole point is to try to work with somebody in your class or on your own. You can record part 1 and then play against it, or you can record both parts and overlay them. I use an app called BandLab on my phone, and that's how I get all of the choir parts up online. If that's something that you can do, great. If you need help, like you need recordings that you can play against at home, let me know, and what song you want. If it's something that I don't have, please send me a copy and I can transpose it so that I can play it on either horn or on piano. So, minor triads. This week, we're just giving you another example in the first section of how to check your answers. So, we're adding a perfect fifth into this. Perfect fifth, if I count up, I go like C to G. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. So, that would be 8 fingers for me. So, for instance, E to B, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. So I know that that's a perfect fifth. Also, it's not 3 letters apart, so it's a fifth. The actual building of minor triads, and I'm actually going to change that on the computer right now because it still says my major. Okay, a minor triad is 3-note chords. Okay, so the examples were correct. I just kept calling them major instead of minor, and that's my bad. So like number 1, E flat. Going up a minor third, 4 fingers, we have E flat, E, F, and F sharp, but we need to call it G flat. And the reason why is because 1, triads almost always skip letters in the alphabet. So E, F, G. It's got to be a G. Also, it can't be F because F is only a second letter away from E, so that would make it, even if it was F sharp, it would be an augmented second, if that makes sense. So first blank, G flat. Then I can go up a major third from that, so that's a full 5 fingers. We said G flat, G flat, G, A flat, A, and B flat. And again, we want to make sure that if we're using flats, we're only using flats. And if we're using sharps, we're only using sharps. They do not cross well, and rarely ever will you see a sharp and a flat key unless you're dealing with minor and we're messing with, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So my final answer should be E flat, G flat, B flat. And another way to check this is that the last note should be a perfect fifth away from E flat. So going up 8 again. E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, or B flat. So I got the same answer at the end. Everything is hunky-dory. If you have any questions on this material, please let me know. We are almost done with the month of April, so make sure that you're keeping track of your practice sheets and your practice time. Let me know if there's anything more that we can do. We had our first social on Monday and it went okay. It's a great time to ask questions or just hang out with friends. I'll leave it up to you guys. But I think that's it for week 4. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.